Hello everyone, it's fantastic to have you back. Today, I will show you how to configure a flanged pipe for isometric drawings in AutoCAD Plant 3D. Let's get started. If you already know how to create flanged pipes in the catalog editor, you can proceed with the video. If not, please watch our video titled Create Flanged Pipes in Catalog Editor, which you can find by clicking the I button. Next, navigate to your project folder and open the Isometric folder. Look for the file named ISO-SKEY AutoCAD blockmap.xml and open it using Microsoft XML Notepad. Choose any SKEY map node, right-click on it, and select Copy from the menu. Then, right-click on the ISO-SKEY map node and choose Paste. Locate the new SKEY map node, which is usually added at the end of the list. Expand this new SKEY map node. In the SKEY field, enter PIFX as shown in the video. In the AutoCAD block field, type Fixed Pipe Flange as demonstrated in the video. Save and close the ISO-SKEY AutoCAD blockmap.xml file. After extracting the isometric, you will see the flanged pipes appear as expected in the isometric drawings. Note: the fixed pipe flange block should already be available in your Plant 3D project's isosymbolstyles.dwg. If it's not there, you can copy it from default project's isosymbolstyles.dwg file into your current project's isosymbolstyles.dwg file, just like standard AutoCAD blocks. That's all for today's episode. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on latest videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.